Welcome to our presentation of our solution that we made for Royal Greenland, which shows a graph of the inventory level throughout a period. This model will also show when we have stockouts, when we have missed any orders, when we should order, and so on. This graph has the days on the x-axis and the pallets on the y-axis. And the input data is shown here on the left side, where we can see the reordering point, the EOQ, and the safety stock. These are the numbers that are used in the report and calculated by the group. All these numbers are in pallets. On the right side, we can see the period that we will showcase in the graph. And for this example, I've chosen from 1st of August 2018 until 31st of August 2018, so a period of 1 month. Underneath we can see if we have any days where we have missed deliveries or if we have missed quantities in terms of pallets and also in percentage. So here we can see that we never have any missed orders in August, but we have points where we actually go below the safety stock, and we also can see that here we actually reach our reordering point, so we place an order and the next day the inventory level is back on track, and so on. The data keeps, the demand keeps, or the consumption of the production shows that the inventory decreases, and on weekends it's a flat horizontal line, and so on. The vertical line shows that the inventory level is increased. So to show the interactive model, I will like to change some of these input variables. So the reordering point I changed to 70, and the EOQ to, let's say, just 100, and the safety stock to 50. Then to showcase how the period is able to change, I'll change this to a year before. So all this data that we are using here are all based on previous data, but it has to be said that you can also use forecast for this model. And to showcase how this model is foolproof, I will change the second row, the to date, to actually 2017, while the from date is actually 2018. So this model instantly shows that there is something wrong with the input days. And that's of course because I've looked from a year ahead and then looking backwards, which doesn't make sense. So I'm changing this number, and now we can see that we have 3 missed deliveries, which is corresponding to 56.5 pallets, which is 3%. And we can see that 3 times during 2017 August, we will actually have stockouts and miss some orders. And what this model is capable of is actually showcasing if it is required that we actually maybe ship extra pallets from Aalborg raw material storage to the production in Cuxhaven in order to fulfill these orders that we missed. So this will be really good to use for with our forecast data. Of course, there is an uncertainty with our forecast data, but this gives a picture for the planning guy of the inventory levels. So I would like to thank you for listening and see you at the exams.